Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will create reverse a string program using Python programming language. Before we continue guys, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please click the like button, click the bell button, select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. And please support my channel guys if you are new by subscribing. Thank you so much. I would like to inform everyone that every video that I upload in my YouTube channel, especially programming activities or machine problems, I'm always giving free source code in my website. So in this tutorial, yes, you can download the source code for free in the video description below in the links in my two websites. Thank you for your visit and support. So let's get started. We have here a machine problem in Python. Step number 1, write a Python program to reverse a string. Step number 2, the user will input a word. Step number 3, create a function that will reverse the string. Step number 4, display the original word, the reverse word in all caps, capital letters, and string count. We have here sample output. Input, hello world. So the output will be DLROW space OLLEH, all capital letters, and then it is consist of 11 characters. So we are here in our PyCharm IDE or environment community edition that is free to download on the website of JetBrains. So I'm using this one. So it is a very excellent IDE for developing Python programs. So we have here the source code. As we can see, it is only consist of 7 lines of codes. One of the, I can say, strong point of Python compared with other programming languages is that it has hundreds of built-in functions that makes the life of the programmer much easier and enjoyable. Take a closer look this function, upper, len. So the upper function will convert any string into uppercase, and then len, it will count the number of characters in a given string. So we have here a function which is consists only with 2 lines of code, def reverse underscore string word. The word here is your parameter, and then the name of our function is reverse underscore string. So we have here return word open and close colon colon -1. So string input, enter a string, display. Calling a function, it will reverse the string into an uppercase, and then it will count the number of characters in a given string. So when we run our program here, give a string, let's say the word is computer. So we have here computer, and then this is the reverse word of computer, retopmok. And then the number of characters is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another example, Python programming. So we have here the original word, Python, and then this is the reverse word, and then the number of characters including the space is being counted is 18. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you learned something new on how to create a function to reverse a given string in Python, and also you will learn how to use len to count the characters, and then the uppercase function in Python to convert the string into all caps. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete and free program listing. Don't forget to like, share, please comment guys, what is your suggestion. I'm very open. If you have some machine problem or source code that you want to share with me, just leave a comment in the comment section so that I can study your code and then present in my channel. Thank you so much for watching and support. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial, guys. Bye bye for now.